Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Viana Home. You know, there's just something awesome about hanging out in the backyard on a cool night, right? And what's the one thing that takes a good backyard and makes it great? Yeah, you got it, a fire pit. We're talking about that centerpiece, that spot where everyone gathers around, tells stories, roasts some marshmallows, or, let's be honest, just stares into the flames. But designing one isn't just about digging a hole and lighting some sticks on fire. You want it to look good, you want it to be safe, and you want it to fit your vibe. So today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about designing the perfect fire pit. Let's get into it. Section 1, location, 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 and safety. All right, first things first. Before you even think about stone or gas or anything cool, you gotta figure out where this thing is gonna live. And I can't stress this enough, safety is priority number 1. You don't wanna be that guy who accidentally sets his fence on fire. So, rule number 1, check your local codes. Seriously, your city, your town, even your HOA, Homeowners Association, might have strict rules about where you can and can't have an open flame. Once you're cleared, find a spot that's at least 10 to 20 feet away from, well, everything. We're talking your house, your shed, any trees with low-hanging branches, your neighbor's vinyl siding. You get the picture. And what's it sitting on? Don't build this thing directly on a grassy lawn or a wooden deck. You need a non-flammable base. Think gravel, patio pavers, concrete, or just bare dirt. It's also got to be level. A wobbly fire pit is a bad time. Last tip for location, think about the wind. Try to find a spot that's a little sheltered. You don't want to spend your whole night dodging a face full of smoke. Section 2, fueling your fire. Wood versus gas. Okay, you've got your spot. Now for the biggest decision you're gonna make. What are you burning? You've basically got two main choices. First, you've got the classic wood burning. This is your classic campfire experience. You get that amazing smoky smell, you get the crackle and pop of the logs. It feels rustic, it's authentic, and frankly, the heat it kicks off is fantastic. The downside? It's work. You gotta buy or chop the wood, you gotta store it, you gotta actually build the fire, and you gotta clean out the ash afterward. And there's always the smoke. Your second option is gas. This means propane or natural gas. A gas pit is all about convenience. We're talking easy button. You flick a switch or turn a key and boom, instant clean fire. No smoke, no sparks, no messy ash. When you're done, you just turn it off. It's that simple. They often double as cables and look super sleek. The catch? It's usually more expensive up front. If you go with a propane tank, you gotta hide the tank and refill it. If you want natural gas, you'll need to hire a professional to run a gas line, and that adds to the cost. So, you gotta ask yourself, are you a rustic traditionalist or is convenience king? Section 3, the look, shape, and materials. All right, now the fun part, making it look awesome. Let's talk shape. The most common is round. It's classic, it's cozy, and it's great for conversation because everyone can see each other. It just feels like a campfire. But square or rectangular pits are super popular right now. They feel more modern, more structured, and they fit really well with outdoor sectionals and linear patio designs. Once you have the shape, what's it made of? You want it to match the style of your house and backyard. You can't go wrong with stoner pavers. This is timeless. You can get a DIY kit from any big box hardware store with pre-cut blocks. It's like adult Legos. You just stack them up in a circle and you're done in an afternoon. If your house is brick, a matching brick fire pit looks amazing and super permanent. For a more modern industrial vibe, look at metal. A simple steel bowl is cheap and easy. Or you could go for Corten steel. That's the stuff that gets that cool rusty orange look on purpose. And if you're super minimalist, you could even go for a poured concrete pit. It's very high-end, very modern. Section 4, the finishing touches. Your pit is built. You're almost there. But now you need to design the area around it. Seating is key. This is what makes it a room. You could go with classic Adirondack chairs. They're comfortable and you can move them around. Or if you want something more permanent, you can build a curved stone seating wall right into the patio. That's a pro-level move. A comfy outdoor sectional is also a great choice, especially for those modern rectangular pits. And don't forget lighting. The fire is bright, but the rest of the yard can feel like a black hole. Just some simple string lights overhead or some small path lights on the walkway to the pit make a huge difference. It's all about the ambiance. And that's really it. Designing a fire pit just comes down to those key steps. Find a safe spot, pick your fuel, choose a style that matches your home, and surround it with comfy places to sit. Whether you go for a simple $50 bowl or a custom-built gas masterpiece, you're creating a spot where memories are going to be made. So plan it out, build it safe, and get ready to kick back and enjoy the fire. Thanks for hanging out, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.